Chapter 11 Constructions. Topic is construction of a triangle given its base, base angles and sum of the other two sides. We have to construct a triangle. What is given? Base is given, base angle is given and sum of the other two sides. So the first question is, construct a triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 5.8 centimeter, BC plus CA is 8.4 centimeter and angle B is equal to 60 degree. This is the base angle and sum of the other two sides. So we have to start from the base. What is the base? AB is the base. How much is that? AB is equal to 5.8 centimeter. I am not taking this 5.8 itself because if I take that it will be very small, so you will not be able to see. So I am just drawing one line AB and I am marking this as 5.8 centimeter. So next is angle B is given as 60 degree. So you have to construct, you cannot use protractor, you have to construct 60 degree, you know how to construct. So take any radius, draw an arc here. How much we need? 60 degree. With the same radius, make a cut on this arc and join these two. Mark this point, join these two. Mark it as 60 degree. So what is given next? It is given that sum of the other two sides is 8.4 centimeter. So what you have to do next is, you have to take 8.4 centimeter in your compasses, 8.4 centimeter in your compasses and make a cut from here. It should be 8.4. I am not taking correct value. I am marking it as X. So how much is this? 8.4 centimeter. Then what you have to do is, you can extend this and mark it as X and I am marking D here. What you can do next is, you can join A and D. Join A and D. So what we have done first? We have drawn a line segment AB of 5.8 centimeter and we have constructed 60 degree here and we have drawn the ray BX and we made a cut on this 8.4 centimeter away from B and we have joined A and D. What you have to do next is, draw the perpendicular bisector of AD. Draw the perpendicular bisector of AD. So take more than half of AD and draw the perpendicular bisector, or draw two arcs from A with the same radius, two arcs from D also. So we have to extend the other one. Join these two, draw the perpendicular bisector. This is touching here BD at C. BD at C, you have to join A and C. This ABC is a required triangle. You will get another shape, not same shape but of different size, because I have not taken the correct measurement 5.8. If I have taken it, will be very small. So I have just drawn AB. I am just saying about the steps only. So steps of construction also we need. You make it another triangle which is bigger than this. So the question is to draw or construct a triangle in which AB is equal to 5.8 centimeter, BC plus CA is equal to 8.4 centimeter, and angle B is equal to 60 degree. So the first step which what we have done is draw a line segment AB of 5.8 centimeter. Then we have constructed a angle B. Angle B, how much is that? 60 degree. Then we have drawn the line B, ray BX. Then we have marked a point D which is 8.4 centimeter away from B. Then join A and D. Next what we have done is we have taken or drawn the perpendicular bisector of AD. And we have marked C, which is the point where this perpendicular bisector intersect at BD. And join A and C. ABC, triangle ABC is the required triangle. So you have to write the steps of construction also. So I'll explain this once again. We have drawn a line segment AB of 5.8 centimeter, then 60 degree construction at B, and we have drawn BX, the ray BX. Then we have marked the point D, 8.4 centimeter, that is the sum of the other two sides, 8.4 centimeter away from B. Then we have joined A and D. Then we have drawn the perpendicular bisector of AD. The point where this perpendicular bisector touching on BD is C, and we have joined A and C. So triangle ABC is the required triangle. So next question, second question. Construct a triangle ABC. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB plus AC is equal to 5.6 centimeter, BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter, and angle B is equal to 45 degree. Angle B is equal to 45 degree. So what is the base here? Here BC is the base. How much is given? 4.5 centimeter. So I am not taking 4.5. I am just drawing a line segment BC and marking it as 4.5 centimeter. Then what we need? Angle B is equal to 45 degree we need. So you know how to construct 45. What do you have to do? First we need 60. Then 120. Then take the bisector of these two. So this makes 90 degree here. Then what you have to do? Bisect this 90. So take more than half of this arc and draw 2 arcs from each of these points, and we have to draw this. So what about this? 45 degree we have to extend and mark it as X. This is 45 degree. So what is the next step? We have to mark D, which is 5.6 centimeter away from this B. 5.6 centimeter. This is 4.5 I have taken. So I am marking here. And I am marking D here. What's the next step? Join D and C. Then what's the next step? Draw the perpendicular bisector of CD. Take more than half of CD and draw arcs from D and 2 arcs from C. Then what do you have to do? Join these 2 points. So this is the point where this perpendicular bisector is touching on BD, which you can take it as A. Then what you have to do? Join A and C. So triangle ABC is a required triangle. Triangle ABC is the required triangle, which you can shade like this. So what's the first step? We have to draw the base BC. Then we have constructed 45 degree at B. Then we have drawn the ray BX. Then we have marked a point D, which is how much centimeter? 5.6 centimeter away from B. Then join D and C. Next, draw the perpendicular bisector of CD, and this is touching on this BD at A. So join A and C. So triangle ABC is the required triangle. Then you have to do one homework, that is exercise 11.2 first question you can do as homework.